Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So first of all, you just have to make sure that your WhatsApp on your Android or iPhone is fully updated. First of all, open the WhatsApp application. Now simply tap on these three dots and go for settings. Then go for this privacy. Under this, you can see this option default message timer. So disappearing messages right here, click on it. And then you could choose when you start a new chat. Messages will disappear after 90 days, 7 days, or just 24 hours. So you can go and select here. And this is for all new chats. I'm going to show you how to do this inside of individual chats now. So to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp inside of individual messages, go to your chat and then simply tap on the name. Now scroll down and you can see this option disappearing messages. Just simply tap on it and again you can select after 90 days, 7 days or 24 hours. So just select that and you are good to go. So you have to remember this only takes place between you and the other person or the group messages. To do this account wide for new messages, you have to do it in the previous step. And once you change this will remain this way until you change it back for this individual message. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.